How the bloody hell are ya? It's been forever. Alright, trying to get through some scrap. This was part of my bar build. You know, it was a big thick bit like this here. Cut it in half. Take the whole thing up. Resin her up. I like to take the whole thing because you find, you know, bits that you didn't think would leak. But anyway, so we're going to build a little table for the mother-in-law. Probably put a little secret compartment in it, you know, so she can hide her wand. She's a witch. Nah, I'm just joking. I actually love your mother-in-law, she's good. And it's Saturday morning, so I thought, good time to piss the neighbour off, because he's a bit of a tosser. And we'll fire up the thicknesser, clean these up, and start building. Ooh, drum sander really saved my ass on that one. Ooh, smooth. Alright, got our stretchers made up. We just need to cut a channel in here, be the floor of our secret compartment. And that's where this little beauty comes into it. I've been loving this thing since I made it. So good. Already got a piece of 6mm ply here, so obviously, you know, we're gonna use a router bit about that big. That big will do. Alright, transfer some measures over, cut some 45s, cut a bit of ply, and then we're ready for glue up. Not gonna lie, this little doobalaki, wasn't a fan of it when I first got it. Couple glue ups now with it, don't mind it. And tip of the vid, take your shit before you glue. So I ran these legs down to the men's shed because they got the belt sander which I needed. I basically just marked, you know, flush where I wanted it and down 15mm or something. Marked the line, cut it with a, what with that thing there? Bloody jigsaw. No, bandsaw. Cut it with a bandsaw. And then just put it against the belt sander, clean it up, did that to two sides. And now what? Clean up this bit of shit here, glue that up. Gonna chisel this flat since my router plane won't go deep enough. Then probably drop in some inlays. Inlay on each leg. One around the top of this lid. And I've made a new jig to, you know, cut in little splines or whatever you call these things. I cut a few splines in the box. Install the hinges. And then we'll see where we're at. Well, I'll have to blow on that wall out, snapping 2 screws. I've had enough of that for today. So I'll go back to polishing me ducks, and I'll see you tomorrow. Don't know what I was thinking. Marking this with the pencil and chiseling it out is atrocious. But we're going to marker knife this one out, make it a bit better. And yeah, bang these in, put a little chain on it, finish the legs, attach the legs, and then we're done. Put some finish on it. And there we have it. A little side table that can hold your remotes and snacks, or your Glock if you're in America. Let me know if you think of it in the comments, or don't. No one else does. Not the biggest fan of it myself. Reminds me of one of them old toy horses missing its neck and head. Mother-in-law loves it though. That's all that matters. Things I'll do differently or better next time. Run those legs all the way out for a better strength. More glue, less boo. Seat those hinges a bit deeper. Eliminate that gap. While we're on the topic of hinges, chisel in a tighter recess. With all that said, leave a like and subscribe, drop a comment on it. And the next one shouldn't be 5 months away like this one was.